This is Manjunath Reddy, proprietor of Sai Cadd from Kengeri, Bangalore, India. I welcome you all to today's topic, that is in Autocad software, how to use multiple lines. That's one nothing but a M lines. In Autocad software, M line is the command. Short form is ML. On the keyboard, you can type ML2. The concept name itself is called multi-lines. Let me see the good examples here. I type here on the keyboard ML, enter. I click and drag here. You can see that automatically the double line appears here. Ortho on, F8, here it is. The bottom side here you can see off on, ortho off. I switched off here. So you can get angular lines to there. Okay. And even ortho on to there to get vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Enter. I close up this. I slightly pan out here. So normally what we do in general in practice, all the civil engineer, architects, interiors, mechanical, automobile, all engineers normally what they do, first they draw one line and they keep offsetting and trimming and filleting like this. If I draw a line by like this 100, I pick L, enter, pick a point here, L, enter, pick a point here and drag 100, line length 100, again down by 100, 100, enter, again right side drag and 100, enter. Right? So process got over here. One horizontal line, one vertical line, one horizontal line here. Now what normally they wanted to do here is they will go to offset. Offset command is O, enter, 10, enter. What 10 here is, where the value is 10 offsetting, but this here to here, here to here, and here to here. Done. Line got offset. Assuming that this is a wall kind. Okay. Then how to fill up this gap is normally to do extend or fillet. F, enter, filleting. So here I'll make sure that radius is 0. Radius is 0. So what I'll do, I select these two edges. Automatically that fills the gap here. So here also apply the same thing. F, enter, these two edges. Done, over. Right? So the process got over. The same thing what I'll do here in M line, I'll do like this, ML, enter. Here I'll go to scale. Here it is. We have three options here. J for justification, S for scale, ST for style. If I say this one scale, the value I'll say 10. 10 is already there. 10, click. Now I click here, one click, 200, 100, enter. Downside, I show the arrow here to down, my cursor to downside, 100, enter. Again I show my right side cursor to 100, enter. Direction I say down, 100, enter. So this is how it's simplified. So here what we have done in the line, these are all separate. But here I'll press escape button on my keyboard, and here if I click, the whole thing, the whole drawing acts as a one. But still later you can do a lot more things by using a explode, by you can do separately. And one more thing here, after all, this is the advantage of the multi-line. You can get together more line also, more than two line also, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at a time. You can do that like a highway road representation sketches. Okay, now I say ML, enter. If I click and drag here, I switch off ortho. Please watch out carefully. My cursor is locked. My cursor is a top line actually. Can you see this now? My cursor is located attach it to the top line edge now. Why that is this? ML, enter. I go to J. You can see that in justification itself here, the top is activated now. I go to J again. We have there three options: top, 0, bottom. Top means top edge of the line. Bottom means bottom edge of the line. 0 means actually the center part of this wall thickness. Here it is. This is top, this is bottom, this is 0 here. Nothing but a center time. Let us check out this. If I go to bottom side, I do the same drawing almost all. See this now? The cursor is attached to the bottom edge. You can see very carefully. Not the top line, the bottom line. First line, second line, third line. I hope you can see this. So this will differ. This will make a use of us to set outer wall, inner wall, and center wall. Repeat again, ML, enter. J here it is, J. Justification, I go to 0. 0. Now I click this side here. Click. You can see now cursor is attached to center of the outer wall, inner wall. Nothing but a center. Click here, and click here. enter. So ML, enter. So we have successfully completed justification part. Scale is nothing but the space in between. Space in between. Style is later. I'll teach you in advanced topics. I repeat again. ML, enter. Yes, enter. S, enter. I'll say back to 25. The space between two lines must be 25. Enter. I click here and drag. Yes, it's now. Enter. Done. So this is multi-line. What our topic is, So that's the end of today's topic. I hope you enjoyed the session, gained a good knowledge, how to use it. I'll see you all on my next topic. Have a nice day.